Okay, so I'll just introduce myself. I'm Adrian Ludwin. I am the relatively new eng manager of the workload autoscaling team at Google. So I think you guys all know Cam and Louise from Google, and Jean, I don't know if you work with Jean-Marc, but yeah, so I work with all of them. And so yeah, I have been sort of finding my feet for the last little while. So I'm now starting to be able to attend this meeting more frequently. And so I'm gonna might not make it every week, but I'll try to make it every second week or so. Uh, it's very funny with a name like mine. It's very rare that there are duplicates of your name, but we have another Adrian at the same site in Kubernetes at Google in Waterloo, which is where I work, and now here as well. So this is very unusual for me. So I apologize for messing up the first name scheme, Adrian Moisey. So,
It's it is very rare. Are you on the Kubernetes Slack?
no, I'm not on Slack. I probably should be.
Cool.
So just a little bit about me briefly. I've been working on GKE since 2018, so I've been around for a while. I worked on this little thing a couple of years ago called hierarchical namespaces. If anybody ran across that, didn't end up getting the adoption we wanted, so we pulled that. And then I've worked on a bunch of internal projects. So I know Kubernetes relatively well, but I've only been working in autoscaling since about June, July, which is when I joined this team. So a bunch of other stuff over the past couple of years. So yeah, that's my background in a nutshell.
Could you, if you're willing, of course, could you get on the Kubernetes Slack and DM me? There's a
Yeah, totally. Let's see.
there's a bit of overlap because the company I work for is a GKE customer. Um,
Okay.
and then also I'm involved with SIG Autoscaling, and so it's sometimes nice to sort of get alignment and things. So it'd be nice just to touch base.
Yeah, totally. Okay, I will figure out how to do that. I haven't used the SIG Slack in a little bit, but I'll dig up my account somewhere after this meeting and I'll look you up. Thanks.
Great. Welcome, Adrian. There seems to be a common link between former British Empire and Adrian. So we should expect maybe another Adrian from Bermuda or Australia will pop in soon as well.
That'd be nice.
Okay, so yeah, really quick. Today's January 15th. We're discussing SIG Autoscaling, our weekly meeting. We're part of the CNCF. Thank you in advance, everyone, for abiding by the code of conduct. We have a brief agenda, at least in the doc today, so we can go ahead and kick it off. Omer, you want to take this one?
Yeah, sure. We started to build the VPA Helm chart. I mean, it's pretty in good shape, but we need to make a custom change in the CI for the kind deployment, for the kind cluster, sorry. So just a simple PR to create a three nodes cluster instead of one, and that's all.
Okay, cool. Just in case there's any need, is this a GitHub Actions PR or I can open it up and we can talk about it. Let's
Yeah,
see.
yeah, it's a GitHub action that calls the kind config file. That's all.
Cool. I'm just wondering if, not sure what happened there. Uh, get rid of that one. I wonder if there's any additional resourcing that the CI container will need in order to accommodate three instead of one. But I'm happy to give this a quick review today.
Cool. Thanks.
Seems like it should be easy. And
Thank
thank
you.
you for that. I'll pause if anyone wants to discuss anything ad hoc. Feel free to raise your hand. All right. Absent that, I'll just quickly mention that we have been preparing for a 135 release of Cluster Autoscaler. Release branch is ready to go. There's some final housekeeping tasks that'll need to be applied. It's possible 135.1 will be released by upstream Kubernetes before we cut our 135, and so we would consume that in. But as of right now, our ambitious goal is to get everything in place by end of day tomorrow. There is a significant addition that's in the final review stage to integrate the DR8 partitionable devices feature into cluster autoscaler. So we'd like to get that in 135. And then there are a couple more buffers API changes that, again, are in the sort of final stages of review. So Kuba and I will hopefully storm in the next 48 hours, and we can begin that release early next week. That will also include cuts to all the patch releases. Cool.
Cool.
Go ahead,
Yeah,
Omar.
yeah. If we have the Google Adrian here, we had a PR from Cam about CPU startup boost, and
Sorry, what was the question?
we had a PR from Cam about the CPU startup boost for the VPA. If
Yep.
you could double check on that, it would be awesome.
Cam
So
is
I've checked.
Sorry, go ahead.
Sorry, Omar, I messaged Kuba this morning to get Cam's whereabouts, and Cam is back on Monday, I think.
That's right. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Thank you. So I
So
never.
Yeah, he's been traveling, so he'll be back soon.
the context is we're hoping to get that feature into the VPA 1.6. I also see John is here, and I think it would be nice to get that race condition sorted out for 1.6. But we can chat about it asynchronously in Slack if that works.
Yeah,
Mhm.
sorry, Adrian. I just got back. I'm slow. I'll get to that this week.
It's January 15th, so everyone's slow. Everyone's on holiday. Welcome back.
All right.
Michael,
Going once, going twice.
you might have to
Go ahead, Adrian.
confirm which Adrian said that Cam will be back next. I mean, technically we both answered the question, but
Adrian
we might
L.
have to. Well, I'm Adrian M, so we need an Adrian N next.
Yeah, SIG Adrian. There we go. Oh, I just noticed we have historical chat now. That's significant, actually. At least in my Zoom, I can scroll back up.
Sorry, Google Adrian is Adrian L, right? Cool. Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, that's right. Adrian L. Just corrected it.
Sorry, I'm loving this. We need more Adrians. This never happens. It always
I
happens
know, it never
to
happens.
Mike's and John's, Mark's, never Adrian. I hope you're going to go to KubeCon in EU because it's gonna be a riot.
I would love to. I don't know if that is happening right now, but I would love to be able to make it out. But we can see. When is it? It's coming up soon, isn't it?
March.
Mid-end March, yeah.
Nice.
All right. Great to see everybody. Hopefully everyone is ramping back up after the break. Seems like we're almost there, approaching the asymptote of productivity.
That's way too much pressure, Jack, and too big a word for them.
Sorry. Okay, see folks next week and online.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thanks, Jack.